So we continue with exercise 3.1, sum number 16. So we have over here the 4 sums, so we'll do the first and the third one. So it is x plus 2y plus 3 into x plus 2y plus 7. So here also we'll do the same thing. We'll consider this part to be as a and this as, or we'll take this as x and this as a and this is x and this is b. So we have the formula that x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So same way over here we will take it as x plus 2y the whole square plus a plus b is nothing but 3 plus 7 into x. X is nothing but 2x plus 2y plus ab will be 3 into 7. So this gives me, as when you open the bracket, it will be x square plus 4xy plus y square, 4y square plus, now this is nothing but 10, so it will be 10x plus 20y, whereas 10 into x and 20 into 2y plus 21. So that's going to be the nothing common, so that's the answer. That was 16 ka first part, 16 ka third part. Now same way it is x minus 2y minus 5 and x minus 2y plus 3. So that's the question. So accordingly this is my a and this is, sorry, this is my x and this is my a, this is my x and this is my b. So we have the x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b, x plus a into b. So this will be x minus 2y the whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 2y plus x minus 2y into 3. Sorry, x into minus 5 into 3. Okay, so this will be x square minus 4y xy plus 4y square. Now this is minus 2, so minus 2 into x, so it will be minus 2x minus minus plus, so plus 4y and then minus 15. So that's the answer for sum number 16 ka third. We now move on to sum number 17. The first is it's given at 2p plus 3q into 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. Now you can see this is the format of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube plus b cube. So this is a, this is b. You can see a square, this is ab, this into this is ab minus में और ये exactly the same. So accordingly this becomes a is what, 3p, so is equals to 2p the whole cube plus 3q the whole cube, that will be equal to 8p cube plus 27q cube. That's the answer. Very easy if you know the formulas. If you don't know the formula, you will just try to work on it, but you will never get the answer. So very important to learn the formulas. Sum number 18, a similar one, 3p minus 4q minus में है, तो it is 9p square, again a square, बराबर, plus 12pq, plus 12pq, yeah, that is also multiplication of 2, perfectly right, and then plus, it should be 16q square. Is it 16q square in the sum? Yes, it is 16q square. So again it's in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equals to a cube minus b cube. Okay, so that gives you the answer as 3p the whole cube minus 4q the whole cube. That will be 27p cube minus 4 16, 64 64q cube. So that will be the answer for sum number 18. We move to sum number 19 now. Okay, now we can see that 19 करेंगे, उसके बाद 20 का 1 कर लेंगे. Then we'll take the alternate sums. So it's given as 2x plus 3y plus 4z. It's 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8xz. So you can see this is in the format of a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus, this is ab minus bc minus ac. Now if you see this particular thing is a typical formula which is already given to you as for a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That was formula number 13. So this is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So you just change this thing accordingly. It will be a is 2x, so it will be 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube plus 4z the whole cube minus 3 into 2x into 3y into 4z. 2 to the 4 to the 8 cube plus 27y cube plus 64z cube minus 4 3 the 12, 12 6 the 72 x y z. That's the answer for this particular thing. Okay, that was sum number 19. We now move on to sum number 20. Find the product of, it is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So we know it is in the format of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equals to, it is given to you that x cube plus a plus b plus c the whole x square plus ab plus bc plus ac into x plus abc. I'll just cross check the formula. So yes, it is 14(1) x cube plus a plus b plus c the x square plus ab bc ac x and abc. Perfectly right. So now we are just going to substitute the values. So we have it as x cube plus, now 1 plus 2 plus 3 x square plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 3 x plus 1 into 2 into 3. So that will be x cube plus 6x square plus, this is 6, 3, 9 plus 2, 11. So it is 11x plus 6. So that's the answer for sum number 20. Okay, sum number 20 was this one. Then we move on to sum number 21. Sum number 21, it is given as, find the coefficient of, coefficient बाद में देखेंगे, पहले ये देख लेते हैं. It is x minus 3 x plus 7, x minus 4. So you get the same formula over here. It is x plus a, x plus b, x plus c is equals to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square plus a b plus b c plus a c x plus a b c. So it is x cube plus, this is minus 3 plus 7 minus 4 x square plus minus 3 into 7 plus 7 into minus 4 plus minus 3 into minus 4 x plus minus 3 into minus 4 x plus minus 3 into 7 into minus 4. So this gives us as x cube. Now this is going to be 0 because minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So it is minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So it will be plus 0x square. Now this is going to be minus 21. So I write down minus 21 plus minus 28 plus 12 x. Okay, and this will be plus 7 3 21, 21 4s is 84. So this will be x cube plus 0x square, and this will be minus 21 plus 16, 27, 37. So minus 37x plus 84. Now the question over here is that find the coefficient of x square and x. So coefficient of x square is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 37. That's the answer for sum number 21. So you can see that you need not have you had to not only find out the answer but also give the coefficient here. So if you miss on that, you are going to lose marks. So better be careful when you are going to write these answers. So that was sum number 21. We now move on to sum number 23, the first and the third. So we are taking the alternate sums now. Sum number 23, the first is using a plus b the whole square. You have to take this. So it is 101 the whole square is equals to 100 plus 1 the whole square. It's 100 the whole square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 the whole square. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 200 plus 1. It's 10201. So that's the first sum. We move on to the third sum is 10.2 the whole square. So that will be 10 plus 0.2 the whole square is equals to 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 0.2 plus 0.2 the whole square. So that will be 100 plus, this is going to be 2 to the 4. So 4 plus 0.04. Okay. So that will be 104.04 as the answer to the question. So that was sum number 23. Now we move on to sum number 24 and then 25. Yeah, we'll have to take that way. So 24. So as per the alternate sums, okay, we'll take the 24th first. Is 99 the whole square, which is nothing but 100 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, I think it is getting same thing, so I'll take the second one in case, because this is exactly plus minus का ही है, वो ये minus में अगर नहीं करेंगे तो it becomes this sum. So I better take the second sum. 997 is equals to 100 minus 3 the whole square is equals to 100 the whole square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 the whole square. So that is going to be 140 minus 600 plus 9. So that will be 99409. Okay, 9400. Once you get 10,000 में से subtract करेंगे plus 9. So that was sum number 25. We now move on 24. We now move on to sum number 25. the first and the third sum of sum number 25. It's 103 the whole cube. Okay. So that will be 100 plus 3 the whole cube. So that will be equal to, so we can take both the formulas. It will be 100 the whole cube plus 3 the whole cube plus 3 into 100 into 3 into 100 plus 3. Because this is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 27 plus this is nothing but 900 into 103. So it will be 900 into 103. I think I'll better take that the other way around because that would be easier, I suppose. So it will be, format will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that will be 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 100 the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 square plus 3 cube. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 3 are 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 plus 27. So that will be starting from here, it will be 7, 2, 7, 2, 9, okay, and then over here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. That is 1092727 should be the answer for 25th one. Yeah. We now move on to term number 25 ka third sum. Third sum, it's 10.1 the whole cube. So it will be 10 plus 0.1 the whole cube. So that will be 10 cube plus 3 into 10 square into 0.1 plus 3 into 10 into 0.1 the whole square plus 0.1 the whole cube. So that is 1000 plus 300. Okay, so this will be 30. Okay, so 330. So 30 and this will be plus. Now this can be, if you are slightly confused, you can just take it as this way, 0.10 and 1 upon 10. So that will give you as 0.3 plus 0.001. So that will give you as 1030.301. Okay, so that is 1030.301. That is sum number 25. We now move on to sum number 27. So we have got to do 27, 29 and 31. So sum number 27. Okay, now this is a tough one, so pay attention over here. So first thing is, if a plus b plus 2c is equals to 0, prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equals to 6abc. So what we'll do is that if we are given this thing, so we'll write over here a plus b is equals to minus 2c. Now cube both sides. So cube both sides. We get it as a plus b the whole cube is equals to minus 2c the whole cube. So this is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b is equals to minus 8c cube. Okay. So we know that a plus b is 2c, so it is going to be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab minus 2c is equals to minus 8c cube. So this is a cube plus b cube minus 6abc plus 8c cube is equals to 0. So a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equals to plus 6abc. That is what we need to prove. Understood? Okay. Sum looks simple, but when you are trying to do the sum, you will not get an idea that we have to use this part. सूझेगा नहीं. Okay, you will always try to feel कि अरे यार ये है तो हम लोग क्या करें, ये क्यूब कैसे निकाले यार, what is the formula to be used. So all those things will come to your mind, but you will not be able to get the thing. So it is better that you practice this properly. That this is all. Okay. Of course, there is one more formula over here, that is the 14th formula, 15th formula, जिसके अंदर लिखा था कि if this plus is equal to 0, then this is equals to 3abc. So that will also give you the same answer, that 3abc. Okay, but ये जानना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So that is sum number 27. Okay, I think I'll also take the sum number 28 and so on. Let me check. Yeah, let me check this. Okay, let me do the sum number 29 first. So 29, x plus y is equal to 4, then find the value of, so x plus y is equal to 4, find x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. So we are doing the same thing again, x plus y the whole cube is equals to 4 cube. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y is equals to 4 for the 16, 16 plus 64. Now again x plus y is equal to 4, so you put that x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into 4 is equals to 64. Why is it 4? Because x plus y given as 4. So x plus y is equals to 4. You can just transfer it here. So accordingly you have x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64 is equals to 0. So therefore the answer is 0. Okay. So that is sum number 29. The answer is 0. We move on to sum number 30. The first one. So sum number 30 first. It is given that to find the value of 27 the x cube, that 27 cube minus 17 cube plus minus 10 the whole cube. Now this is very easy in fact, but it should strike to you. Here you can see that this is your a plus b plus c. Now what is a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c is equals to 27 plus minus 17 plus minus 10. So that is equals to 0, because 17 is 27, minus 27 plus 27 0. Now since a plus b plus c is equals to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. This is the formula what we are having as per the formula number 15. The 15th formula tells me that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Therefore, it is nothing but answer is 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. That's the answer. So of course you need to write to do it. So 27 into 3 is 81. So 81 into 17. So 756 0 1 8 7 7 and it is 137. So it is 1377 minus plus 0. So that will be 13770 will be the answers to sum number 30 ka first. So 13770. Same way is the second one also. It will be 0 and then you have just multiply. Now we move on to sum number 31. Sum number 31 is given as 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 upon 86 into 86 plus minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. Now this is what you need to find out. Very simple. This is nothing but a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. So you know very well that a cube plus b cube is given as a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So this will be a square minus ab plus b square. So this gets cancelled. So is equals to a plus b. Therefore the whole thing over here is nothing but 86 plus 14 is equals to 100. Got it? So this is, we are just using the formula and you are coming to know that इसका आंसर क्या होता है, a plus b होता है. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा, a plus b होगा. That is 100. Okay. So that was sum number 31. Okay. Okay. I was just checking up if at all 28th sum is somewhere going to make a difference. It seems that the sum number 28 is also tricky, so let me check that thing. So sum number 28, I am doing an extra sum. So that is, it is given that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so of course then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. This is what I will need to use. But what is given to here is find the value of a square upon bc plus b square upon ac plus c square upon ab. So if I check this thing, the LCM is ABC, so LCM is ABC, and here it will be multiplied by a, so it will be a cube, this will be b cube, this will be c cube. Oh no, this is very easy sum, this is nothing but ABC. So 3a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc, so it's abc upon abc. Yeah, it's 3. Okay, this was easy sum, but I thought that it looked tricky, so I thought I will just check it out. Fine, so this was the end of the exercise 3.1. We now move to some exercise number 3.2 in the next video.